Google is asking me to take this left here. I have a chance of getting stuck if I go here.
In 600 meters, turn left.
Oh, there is a place to at least turn back. Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. It's another day, another ride, and today I'm heading towards another hill temple called as Yatiraj Swami Hill Temple. It's near Biddi, and I've taken a deviation from after Biddi, but today is one of those days Maps has let me down. It has led me to a sort of a dead end actually here. I've come very close to uh, Ramdevar Betta Vulture Sanctuary. So on the other side of it, so this road is actually heading into the sanctuary. So and there's no way I think I can continue this way. So yeah, now I have to try and figure out the correct route and get back on track towards Yatiraj Swami Hills. But this, uh, yeah, first I have to figure out how to U-turn my bike in this short track. But I'll anyway show you this place. It seems to be a very calm and nice place here. Quite a wild place here. The route it was Google Maps showed me was this, and it's just heading to a rock. Lucky I didn't come this far. I parked my bike a little behind. But a wonderful place. I think that water hole there is right next to the forest. Might attract elephants and all wild animals in the evenings. So finally arrived at the starting point of this trek to this hill. So that seems to be the Yatiraj Swami Betta and the hill temple over there. I'll have to climb that. I see there are some stairs over there, uh, steps which I can use. The temple seems to be open because I saw a few of them just head that way. Yeah, if I'd come tomorrow on Sunday, it might have been better. But nevertheless, this seems to be a beautiful hill, and I'll get going. So I parked my bike here, and I'm all ready and all set to start climbing from there. So the steps begin from here. Just make it much more easier to climb. Look at the view, it's just stunning. I think that's Ramdevar Betta Sanctuary. All the beautiful hills over there. Talavadi Hills, then Timmappa Betta and that Jodi Bande, and then up till Kanwa Reservoir you can see in the background. Stunning view even on this side, just stunning. What a find this has been, man. I thought I saw the temple there, but that's just a building. The temple is over there. What a place to have the temple on the edge of the cliff and with this view. ಯಾವ ದೇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? ಶನಿವಾರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಪನ್. ನೀವು ಶನಿವಾರ ಭಾನುವಾರ? ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Wow, what a cave. This is drinking water. They say it's very pure and nice to drink. I trust them, but I don't think I'll drink it. So the climb up this hill is around 30 minutes, and there's this beautiful cute little temple nestled and on the side of a hill, which is just beautiful, and there is a natural sort of a pond as well next to the hill. So it's only open on Saturdays, and there were only around 6 people today, and so not much, so it's good, but I can see some more people probably coming up now. But yeah, it's a very beautiful place. What a find this was for me. I didn't expect it to be so beautiful, and with a 360 degrees view all around. You can see the entire Ramnagar range, Savandurga range, all the hills in this till Kanwa Reservoir. So fantastic find. I absolutely love this place. I'm going to spend a little more time here and then probably head back. See a lot of broken beer bottles in this place. I mean, okay, they came here, enjoyed, but for some sadistic pleasure, they've broken lots of bottles in probably every place. I don't know what kind of people they are. They come to such beautiful places, drink, break the bottles, throw it. I mean, you can't even walk barefoot in this place. It's so risky. And probably I guess that's one of the reasons why they build temples in such places, probably just to prevent the sanctity of the place, and to protect the sanctity of the place. And yet you see people come here and totally trash this place. So I request anybody who is watching this and wants to come here to please not litter this place and carry back all your trash, and just enjoy this place for what it has to offer you. That is, beautiful air, nature, and probably peace of mind. So looking at such fantastic sceneries all around, I guess I sat close to 2 hours here now, and I almost dozed off as well sitting here. It's such a serene and beautiful place, and I actually, when I was looking at such beautiful sceneries, I actually thought there were times several years ago, whenever I used to head for a trek, it always used to be for Western Ghats. I mean, it's unquestionable, Western Ghats is so much incredibly beautiful. But still, you know, having places so close to Bangalore, I never explored them earlier, which is why I actually started this series of short rides around Bangalore with the intention of actually visiting such close but yet beautiful, pristine, and sort of unexplored places near Bangalore, and so that I could enjoy these places and I also bring it to viewers. So I hope you liked watching this series as much as I love filming it. And with that, we have come to an end of this vlog, and I'll see you next time in another vlog. Until then, take care, see you, goodbye.